how to redeem Xbox, Game Pass, or gift card codes on your PC. The first things first is go ahead to your Windows search and search for Microsoft Store. Now, once you are on Microsoft Store, make sure that you have logged into your account. And please also do make sure that the specific game code or gift card code that you're trying to enter is associated with the account that you're currently using right now from your Microsoft Store. All you have to do is log into that account and then click on your profile picture right here and then go to redeem code or gift cards. Now, once you are in this page, all you have to do is to enter your password. And once you enter your password, all you have to do is to input the specific amount of numbers or characters that your gift card or gift card code that has on your um, certain area of that card. You'll just have to input those information right here after you enter your password and make sure that you follow all the characters correctly so that there will be no further issues that will happen. So that's it. That's the easiest method in how you can redeem Xbox, Game Pass, and gift card codes on your PC.